What's up, Maine Mafia? We are here at Volcano Bay. Let's check it out. This thing is insane. It's a geyser. Whoa. Check out these wait times. Some of these are right now. That's interesting. Do you think it's real? It's totally real. This is a ride that unfortunately we won't be able to go on today. It's called Hanu Aika Moana. Currently in refurbishment, going up the conveyor belt. Makapui. 65-minute wait. All right, so we're headed to get some food. This is cool. It's like a giant frog. What do we get? Pizza. Look how delicious that looks. What? If you want some, just let me know. If you need some, just tell me so. Better have mama, just a female out of mama. You should see the little future for a little love and future. If you want. The magic conch has spoken. One of these is called the Oh No, I think it's that one, and the other one is called the Oh Yeah. There they go. Crazy.
Your name is Spokesman?
That's right.
Nice to meet you, Spokesman.
What is your name?
My name is Ball. I am the spirit of this volcano.
All right, see you later.
Goodbye.